To Vision MBA. Now, guys, many students are asking me this question कि ये महात्मा गांधी नेशनल फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम क्या है, इसका सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर क्या है, फीस क्या है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स क्वाइट ऑब्वियस बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन लोगों को इसके बारे में पता चला, एडवर्टाइजमेंट आया टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया पे, मैंने यूट्यूब वीडियो डाला. सो नाउ पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड एंड दे वांट टू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज. सो आई थॉट लेट मी मेक वन मोर वीडियो वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर all your questions. Okay, so it's quite simple, guys. All you have to do is just click on the link. Okay, how to go for it? First of all, you have to come on to the IIM Bangalore website, iimb.ac.in पे आप टाइप इन करोगे, या तो अगर आपने गूगल पे महात्मा गांधी नेशनल फेलोशिप MGNF भी टाइप किया, सो ऑफ कोर्स आपको ये लिंक पहले मिल जाएगा. यू क्लिक ऑन इट एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेज. देन हियर you click on it, guys. The moment you click on it, of course they're going to give you information about ministry and whatever. Let's click on to the program structure. When you click on the program structure, guys, you can see that the sessions portion, academic module यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि क्या क्या है. Management methods in public policy 35%, public policy and economic development 17%, soft skills to negotiate public administration 31%, skills and livelihoods 18%. Now, guys, this program is actually a blend of helping the IIM pedagogy or the understanding of IIM way of managing things into the government. So of course government want people who are intelligent, of course. So this is a government kind of a job, but of course you have to go through the IIM. Now then after that people are asking that what is the selection procedure. Nothing, you just click on FAQ here. The moment it is on the right hand side here, MGNF program structure, you click on FAQ. Now about fellowship, if you want to know what is it, then you can see here MGNF is a certificate program. Then as the academic partner, IIMs will administer a blended program that of course is going to be both classroom and district immersion components. The target group of the people are young individuals who will work with the government at the district level and stuff like that. Now, why should I apply for the fellowship? The fellowship is a unique opportunity to promote skill development in district economies. The 2-year blended program combines classroom sessions at host IIMs with mentorship of fellows while in district. It provides an opportunity, now read this, guys, it provides an opportunity to engage with schemes and institutions at the district level to strengthen institutions and improve skill development, link markets and create growth. Now of course again, who are the host IIM? So guys, it is going to be in Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Jammu, Kozhikode, Lucknow, Nagpur, Ranchi, Udaipur and Visakhapatnam. Will each host IIM conduct different admission process? No, host IIM will not have different admission process. There will be a common admission process managed by IIM Bangalore. That is the reason ये link जो है, ये information है वो IIM Bangalore की website पे है. How do I find which state a particular IIM is managing? The 9 hosts, and of course that information is here. Which were the states covered by IIM Bangalore in pilot? So everything is there. What is the exact duration of the fellowship? It's 2 year long. 660 plus fellows will be recruited for the second cohort of MGNFs. The tuition fees is fully funded. So guys, इसकी tuition fees कुछ है ही नहीं. In fact, तुम्हें IIM पैसा देगा हर महीने 50,000 रुपए first year and second year 60,000 rupees. But then of course you have to get select. Where will I be based? In the current admission cycle. Now ये भी सवाल कई लोगों का होता है. Okay, for example, I am a North Indian, so हिंदी आती है मुझे. I am a Maharashtrian, मुझे मराठी आती है. I'm a South Indian, so I am based in South or whatever. So guys, you can select the IIM based on your state and your local language expertise, because local language आना भी बहुत important है. Of course English, Hindi of course is going to be there, but local language like Marathi, Gujarati or whatever. Now of course in the current admission cycle, admitted candidates will be placed in Andaman Nicobar. So guys, you can see where you'll be based and where you'll be recruited or where you'll be going. Can I change my district or mission? No, the allocation of the district in respect state shall not be changed under any circumstance. या तो लो या तो निकलो, जो भी है. How will the academic module train me for the district? So of course these informations are there. Will accommodation be provided during the academic module at host IIM? Campus accommodation for the fellow will be arranged by MGNF office for respective host IIMs. The fellow will be expected to make their own arrangement in the district for their accommodation. IIM में रहोगे तो of course वहाँ पे मिल जाएगी जगह. कहीं और जाते तो तुम्हें जगह एडजस्ट करनी पड़ेगी. 50,000 मिल रहे हैं ना, इसीलिए मिल रहे हैं. How many leaves are we entitled to during the program? The leave policy for the selected candidate will be intimated in their selection offer letter and of course other information है. तो basically ये जो है आपको एक information के साथ साथ is like a job prospect. Okay, so you guys are getting it. Now moving on again, if I go on to the FAQs, application process, fees कितनी है, क्या है? Of course तुम्हें 21 to 30 years के बीच में होना चाहिए. You should be a graduate, Indian citizen of course, and knowing the local language also is important. You must be ready to work in rural areas of course. And this is how exactly it is. English proficiency is an important factor. कई लोग बोलते हैं इंग्लिश नहीं आती भाई तो सीखो क्या करें. No, you are not eligible to apply since you have to submit your graduate mark sheet. If you are not a 2021 pass out, again you need to be a graduate. And other information is there. What is the fees? Now the fees for application is just 500 rupees plus GST. But then if you enroll yourself for the examination before 7th of March, 400 plus GST. What is the required length of statement of SOP? अंग्रेजी में एक SOP लिखना होगा. 800 words is there. Of course, you have to write it. Your statement of purpose should identify personal and academic goals. You can discuss what excites you about MGNF and how you propose to contribute to it based on your past work history, your interests, and any other relevant experience. Your statement should offer insight into what you are as an individual. Of course, at Vision MBA, guys, we also train you how to write a effective SOP, and I already trained many people, and in fact right now also I am going to work on many SOPs after this video stuff. So guys, yes, of course सारी information दी हुई है. Selection process, okay, selection process क्या है? Now guys, this applications will be based on shortlisted on the basis of course examination होगा आपका written MCQ type का examination होगा. Of course you will be gauged on general awareness, quantitative ability, VARC, DILR. Of course ये सारी information दी हुई है. What if I cannot make it to an in-person interview? We do not offer Skype. तो guys वहाँ जाके तुम्हें interview देना होगा, and you have to manage for your traveling expense. Of course you can do that. When will the interviews take place? The interviews will take place during the second week of May to end of May. कई लोग ये भी बोलते हैं कि interview कब होगा भाई, पहले written तो clear कर लो. भाई वही है कि गाय ने बच्चा दिया नहीं और दूध कैसे पिएंगे. Anyway, so MGNF entrance exam. Now what is it? Of course here the exam pattern is mentioned and all other information is here. I mean it's a paper based exam guys. It is not going to be on system. It's going to be a paper based exam. What do the candidates need to bring on the exam center? Admit card along with and one passport size photograph. The MGNF instance is a multiple choice based question. The number of questions in each section may vary and cannot be disclosed. Now guys, IIMs never they disclose what kind of how many questions are going to be there. But what kind of questions are going to be there? You can check the previously asked MGNF written entrance test question papers. You'll get an idea what kind of questions are asked. And I strongly recommend students to go through that, and you can find it online. Do not worry. How long is the examination? It's of 2 hours plus 3 for one right and -1 for incorrect attempt. So moreover, it's like the CAT examination, but I'm sure it's not going to be as difficult as CAT examination. No candidate will be allowed to leave the examination. All वो सब सारी detail है. So guys, I hope this video gave you pretty good information and about the selection procedure. कई लोग excited हो गए कि चलो भाई आ गया तो हम apply करेंगे हो जाएगा. Written देना पड़ेगा, selection करना पड़ेगा. So of course please do that. And if you have appeared in CAT examination, so you are already prepared and you are, and not just CAT examination, I'm so you must have attempted other exams, but general awareness का भी एक section है. Make sure that you go through previously asked questions or question papers of MGNF, and this is the procedure. I hope this small video gave you more clarity about the program. Thank you guys.